To improve its anti-drone warfare and neutralize low-flying rockets, missiles, and helicopters, China has developed a new weapon system that equips a 16-barrel gun. According to China's state-run Global Times, the first-of-its-kind weapon system can also effectively counter drone swarms. This new air defense system is known as the Anti-Drone Swarm and Anti-Missile Barrage Weapon System. Yu Bin, the system's chief designer, spoke in an interview that Global Times reported about the weapon's firing mechanism. He said the weapon shoots a barrage, identical to firing a wall of ammunition. The barrage can cover all incoming target positions, effectively intercepting them by moving from a broad area to a precise point. Yu said that conventional air defense guns use the concept of point-to-point interception, whereas the new system uses the concept of plane-to-point. The new concept follows an architecture where multiple air defense guns fire together to raise fire density and probability of interception. The new weapon is a close-in air defense barrage system equipped with a 16-barrel gun to fire unique munitions. Yu added that this kind of system is not available globally, and it is the world's first system to intercept aerial threats such as drone swarms. Global Times reported that the system has a fast reload speed, high fire density, controllable barrage size, outstanding destructive power, and capability to accompany troops in maneuvers. Current air defense weapons struggle to handle drone swarms effectively. They often can't manage saturation attacks and are not cost-effective. However, the new barrage weapon system addresses these issues, according to Yu. This system has successfully demonstrated its ability to shoot down all small drones with a single barrage. It can also intercept fast air-launched weapons like missiles. In addition, it can counter rockets, mortars, and howitzer shells. Yu added that while the primary targets for this system are aerial threats like drone swarms, fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, and cruise missiles, it can also target ground or water surface targets when needed. The chief designer mentioned that the system is modular and can be installed on trucks, armored vehicles, or warships. Fuqian Chao, a military expert, told Global Times that this new weapon will be effective and cost-efficient against drone swarms and missiles. The barrage weapon is appealing for both domestic users and international markets as threats from drones continue to grow, Fu said.